Oh, you can hear it.
You hear it? Oh!
Kamdenboy, Kyraboo, toy review.
We're back.
We're back.
Okay, so now we are going to try to make fluffy slime.
Fluffy time.
We have no idea if this is gonna work with the glitter glue. So glitter fluffy slime, I guess that's the name of what we're doing. So the girls have bottles of glitter glue, Elmer's glitter glue. Hold your glue up. And we have shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
And we're gonna use Tide to activate it. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You need help?
No. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that's red.
So our next step is gonna be to add about a cup of shaving cream.
It looks like whipped cream.
It kind of does look like whipped cream. So Kyra, you add yours first.
Okay. This.
So
Can I do it?
all right, stir it up. Kyra, hold your bowls.
Ooh, turn time.
It's not turning into slime yet.
Ooh. I can see it. Can see it, Mommy.
I see, yeah.
Ooh, turn time. Oh!
Make sure you mix the glue in really good.
Uh-oh.
This. Can I help you a little bit?
No.
Okay.
Can you do it?
I know, Miss Independent. Kyra, can Kennedy help you a little bit, please?
No.
Didi can't help you? I can help.
No.
Can I help you?
I can do it.
Okay. So Kyra needs to make sure she gets all her glue from the bottom. She still has glue down there.
No, you can't. Can I do it?
Kyra.
Kind of look like cotton candy.
Cotton candy? Oh, I did that before. Cotton candy.
It's not ready to be touched yet. Okay, I'm gonna activate it a little bit more. Keep working and keep.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, I love this one. This is
I love them too.
You love this one, Kyra?
Yeah. Can I see it?
Oh, I love
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yes.
it. We started to get better at this.
Can I see it?
Oh, I better.
We're still not 100% there yet, but it's like fluffy cloud slime.
Yes.
Can I do it?
Here, let me just get this off my hands.
Super fluffy.
Go.
What you gonna name your slime, Kyra?
A baby cord.
It's gonna be baby cord.
Yeah. Beat it.
Fill it.
Beat it? She said beat it. Okay, you're making the camera shake. Stretch it.
Stretch it. Sweat. Stretch it. It's kind of like butter slime.
First time.
It's like
So what would you call this slime? Kind of like fluffy cloud slime?
maybe like fluffy cloud, but since it's like smooth and stretchy, it's kind of like butter slime. Like maybe
First time.
fluffy cloud butter slime.
So next time we'll probably have to add more glitter.
Because the glitter kind of just like faded away.
Yeah.
More
So look, Kyra, my
So you can kind of see a little bit of the glitter from the original slime, a little bit, not much, but so next time we have to add a lot of glitter for our glitter slime. Okay, girls, so I think our fluffy slime was a success. Our glitter fluffy slime didn't come out so well, but we still did a good job. We're getting much better at slime. Tell everybody bye.
And boy, Kyraboo, play with you.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe.